you all! So, in this video, I want to share some simple tips and tricks how to answer common job interview question in English. Because I know a lot of people feel nervous when it comes to interviews. Sometimes we actually know the answer, but we don't know how to say it in English. And that's totally normal, especially if this is your first interview or you're not used to speaking English every day. But don't worry, in this video I will guide you step by step with simple explanation and easy example, so later you can answer interview question more confidently and sound more natural. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with a very common question. Tell me about yourself. Now, this question sounds simple, right? But actually, a lot of people feel confused here because they think they have to tell everything about themselves, like their full story, their personal life, and everything. But no, you don't need to do that. The key is keep it simple, keep it relevant, and keep it professional. You can focus on three things: who you are, what you study, and what you are looking for. Also, try to speak clearly and don't rush your words. Okay, let me give you an example. I'm a fresh graduate in guidance and counseling. I enjoy helping people and I have good communication skill. During my study, I was involved in several group activities that helped me improve my confidence. Right now, I'm looking for an opportunity to grow, learn new things, and gain more experience. So yeah, just keep it simple and clear. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be understood. Alright, let's move to the next question. What are your strengths and weakness? Okay, this question can feel a bit tricky because you want to sound honest but also still look professional. So here's the tip. For your strength, choose something that really represents you and matches the job. Don't just say something random. Try to pick a strength that can give a positive impression. Now, for your weakness, this is where many people make mistakes. Some people say something too negative and that can make a bad impression, but some people also say I don't have any weakness, and honestly that doesn't sound realistic. So what should you do? Be honest, but so that you are improving. That's the key. Okay, let me give you an example. My strength is that I'm good listener and I'm also responsible in my work. I always try to finish my tasks on time and communicate well with others. For my weakness, sometimes I overthink, but now I'm learning to manage it better by focusing on solution and organizing my tasks. So yeah, don't be afraid to talk about your weakness. Just make sure you show your effort to improve. Alright, now let's move to another important question. Why do you want to work here? This question is very important because the company wants to know if you are really interested or if you are just applying randomly. So here you need to show your interest and your enthusiasm. Don't answer this question in a flat or boring way. Try to sound a bit excited. Also, it's better if you know a little about the company. It doesn't have to be too detailed, just something simple. For example, you can talk about their environment, their values, or their reputation. Okay, let me give you an example. I want to work here because I see that your company has a good and positive environment. I also like how the company support employee growth and development. I believe this is a place where I can learn a lot, improve my skills, and also contribute to the team. See? Simple but still meaningful. So remember, show your interest and show your positive energy. Alright, let's go to the next question. How do you handle stress? Now, don't feel nervous when you hear this question. The interviewer is not trying to trap you. They just want to know how you deal with pressure and difficult situations. Because in a real job, stress is normal. So here, you need to show that you can stay calm and handle your responsibilities well. Try to avoid answer like I get stressed easily without any solution. Instead, focus on what you do when you feel stressed. Okay, let me give you an example. When I feel stressed, I try to stay calm and not panic. I usually manage my time better by making a priority list. I also take short break to refresh my mind so I can stay focused and continue my work effectively. So yeah, the key here is simple. Stay calm, stay organized, and stay in control. That will give a good impression. Alright, now let's move to the last question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Now, this question might sound a bit difficult because you are talking about the future and maybe you're not 100 perfect sure yet. And that's okay. The interviewer is not expecting a perfect answer. They just want to see if you have goals and a clear direction. So here, try to sound positive and motivate. You can talk about your growth, your skill, and your future contribution. Okay, let me give you an example. In 5 years, I see myself growing professionally and gaining more experience in my field. I want to continue improving my skill and become more confident in handling responsibilities. I also hope that I can contribute more to the company and be a valuable part of the team. So yeah, you don't need to be too specific. Just show that you are willing to grow and have a positive mindset. So yeah, those are some simple tips and tricks you can use for your job interview. As you can see, answering interview question is not as difficult as it looks. You just need to practice, stay calm, and believe in yourself. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. It's okay to make small mistakes. What's important is you can express your ideas clearly and show your confidence. So keep practicing your English and don't be afraid to try. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video and good luck for your interview. See you in the next video.